Assalamualaikum and welcome to Rafplay, where we have this Vespa style ride-on side-by-side motorbike for kids. It's a 12-volt motorbike, as you can see, guys. Fantastic looks, amazing for 2 children at one go. It comes with these awesome seat belts. You see, it's got a very nice and safe carriage on the sidecar. Amazing LED lights. It also has these training wheels. It has broad tires with spokes. It looks like the real thing. Exhaust pipes, sort of, yes. And this amazing panel control for the music playing. This is for the forward, reverse. This is switch off and on. And you can see the realistic sounds. You have some really cool Harley Davidson style mirrors here. It's got these amazing LED light effects on the turbo engines. It has a pedal control. It has these long footrests as well. You can see the look of the bike is totally cool, guys. This is for the pedal. The kids can just press this and they can zoom and go. So if you have a brother and a sister, you have twin boys, twin girls, this is the ultimate ride for the kids. Only available at www.rafplay.com.